February tends to be more relaxed at work. No rushing around to wrap up the year or start the new year. Valentine's Day cards and gifts are sent. Heart-shaped treats appear in the break room. But for employers, this time of year can also allow for blurred boundaries, which can create legal liability. I'm Alex Rubin, founder of Rubin Employment Law. Before we begin, please note this video is for general informational purposes only. It is not legal advice, and watching it does not create an attorney-client relationship. For guidance on your specific situation, please speak with an employment attorney in your state. Here's a situation employers don't always anticipate. A female senior manager is respected and long tenured. She's a key player in the company. Over time, how she interacts with one male employee starts to shift. Compliments linger, jokes feel personal. A message comes in after hours that crosses from friendly into uncomfortable. Nothing is explosive or obvious, and that's the point. From the outside, the female manager's behavior might look harmless. Some people might even consider it to be flattering. But when the concern finally reaches HR, even without a formal complaint, the employer's obligations are triggered. Here's what many employers miss. Harassment laws don't depend on gender, they don't require bad intent, and they don't wait for a perfectly drafted complaint. When the person involved is a supervisor or a senior leader, the risk increases, not because of the allegations alone, but because of how the employer responds. Most employers know they need to investigate. The harder question is how and who should conduct the investigation. When allegations involve leadership, internal investigations can raise credibility concerns. Employees, regulators, and even the courts notice. That's when bringing in a neutral investigator makes sense, not because your team can't investigate, but because independence matters, particularly when power dynamics are involved. And here's the part that really matters. An investigation is not the end of the story. It's the beginning of scrutiny. Courts don't just ask, did you investigate? They ask, what happened next? And was this handled the same way that you've handled similar situations in the past? This is where employers get into trouble. The takeaway is simple. Complaints involving senior managers require extra care. Neutral investigations protect credibility. And consistency and discipline matters just as much as the investigation itself. If this sounds like a situation you'd rather not navigate alone, we're here to help. Call us at 973-787-8442 or email legaladmin@alexrubinlaw.com. You can also read more about workplace investigations at alexrubinlaw.com/February-Valentine. Happy Valentine's Day.